Today we're making this delicious coconut marble cake. You first need to grease and line a 9x7-inch pan. Then in a bowl take some butter, add in your powdered sugar, baking powder and vanilla extract, and you're going to beat this for 2 to 3 minutes till it is light in color and fluffy. Then you're going to add in your eggs one at a time. Beat for 1 minute after each addition. Once you have a creamy mixture, you can stop. Now you're going to take some milk and all-purpose flour. You're going to add in 1/3 of the flour to the batter and mix it in on very low speed just for a few seconds. Then add in half of your milk and repeat. Then add in half of the remaining flour and beat again for a few seconds. Then you're going to add in the remaining milk. Repeat. And then mix in the remaining flour. And make sure not to overmix when you're doing this. Then you can switch to a spatula to mix in any remaining flour. Now you're going to take your melted chocolate and add in about 3/4 cup of the batter to it. And mix till the chocolate is uniformly distributed. And you should have a chocolatey batter just like that. Then to the remaining batter, you're going to add in sweetened coconut, and I have the recipe for this on my channel. You're going to mix it in till it has distributed evenly. Then you're going to pour in about half of your coconut batter into the pan and spread it evenly. And then drop in your chocolate and coconut batter alternately in the pan. Once that is done, you're going to use a butter knife and swirl it through the batter. And do not overdo this because you want the batters to stay separate. And then bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes. A toothpick inserted in the cake should come out clean, and you can let the cake cool completely. Then run a knife at the sides and you can lift your cake out and place it onto a tray. And then all that is left is for you to slice and enjoy the cake. I suggest you serve this warm with some coffee or tea and you have your evening breakfast settled. If you love Bounty chocolate, you are bound to love this cake. The melted chocolate and the sweetened coconut just make this cake delectable. And the texture of the cake is super fluffy. I hope you try this out and make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with new recipes. I'll see you very soon. Bye.